Welcome to FWS's Reforestation program, featuring forester Keith Like. Keith is cutting ponderosa pine cones in half, in order to see the quality of seed produced by the cones. He works with the tree climbers to obtain enough seed for future seedlings. As you can see, Keith is not satisfied with this particular cone. FWS has two licensed drone pilots, foresters Ileana Castro and Joey Gentry, who use drones for forestry and can capture data and create things like this video. Tree climbers scale these trees and pick the cones in order to get the seeds for planting the next generation of seedlings. The tree climbers fill burlap bags full of cones to create a bushel. The bushels are lowered to the ground and then loaded into trucks and taken to the nursery or cold storage. The cone pickers secure themselves to the tree with rope and harness while they pick the cones. They are also equipped with sharp spurs that help them dig in while climbing. Here we see forester Kevin Barry loading the bushels into the truck. After the seeds germinate in a nursery, they are bagged and boxed, kept in cold storage. In the fall or spring, when there is enough moisture in the ground, Keith Like and Kevin Barry will take the trees to the woods and work alongside the planting crews, monitoring quality of work and tree spacing.